Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can save videos offline and watch them in YouTube Kids easily. So here I'm already on the YouTube Kids app, and these are the channels that approved by me as a parent. So you can just find the video that you want to download in here. For example, I'm going to open this channel first, and then I'm going to find a video to download. Let's say I want to download this one. You can click on the three dots icon and tap on this download video. Okay, I need to turn on my Wi-Fi first. Sorry. Okay, so now let's just wait and try to. Okay, now it's downloading. Let's just wait until the downloading process is finished. Okay, so now the download is done. You can easily find the download videos in here in the suitcase icon at the top. You'll find the downloaded video. Then to watch it, you can just click on this. So when you don't have any internet connection, you can still watch this video. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.